Start by opening FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive. If it's already active, you'll find the icon in the top bar. Otherwise, open the App Store app and launch it from there. Click on Plus Add Server to begin creating a new connection. Choose the connection type from the drop-down menu. Select SFTP, SSH File Transfer Protocol. You can name the connection for easy reference. Skip it to let RemoteDrive name it automatically based on the server's name. Now, enter the server details. Type in the host IP or host name and specify the port number. If left blank, RemoteDrive will use default settings. Now, let's click on Logon Type and check out the available options. Normal, the most common option. You provide both your username and password up front. The password is retained and you won't need to re-enter it after restarting the program. Anonymous. No username or password is required. Ask for password. You'll be asked for the password only once until you close the program. Interactive. You'll be prompted for the password every time you connect. Key file. Uses a private key file for authentication with a matching public key set up on the server. Let's choose Key File from the menu. Fill in the user field with your server's username. Next, click the Browse button to locate your key file. Ensure the file is in PPK format. If your key is in PM format, you'll need to convert it to PPK first. Click Add and Connect to set up and establish the connection. If it is the first time you connect to the server, Finder will ask you to enable the connection. To copy the path of a file or directory, right-click the item and select Copy URL. You can now paste it wherever needed. FileZilla Pro RemoteDrive, your all-in-one file transfer solution. Get it now on the Apple App Store.